This case considered the issue of caveats, and whether or not an owner of a business who lodged a caveat on a property in respect of his lease was liable to the owner of the property who incurred legal expenses in relation to the removal of the caveat when he wanted to obtain a mortgage on the property. In this case, the owners of a commercial property granted a lease to an operator of a business with a further option period. The operator of the business exercised their option, but soon after, the owner of the property sold the property and the property was mortgaged by the new owner. The operator of the business soon after lodged a caveat to protect its interest in the property. This caveat stated that it prevented the lodging of any dealing on the register until the caveat was withdrawn or removed. The new owner of the property wanted to refinance the mortgage and discovered the existence of the caveat and obtained a court order for the removal of the caveat so that the new mortgage could be registered. The owner of the property brought proceedings against the business owner on the basis that they had lodged their caveat wrongfully and without reasonable cause, and sought compensation for their costs to have this caveat removed. The owner of the property argued that the terms of the caveat were too wide, and it should not have prevented the registration of the mortgage, and that it should only have prevented lodgement of a dealing that was inconsistent with the caveator's interest. The central issue for the court, therefore, was whether or not the caveat was lodged wrongfully and without reasonable cause. The court ultimately held that the